So my friend's out flying right now, the owner of the airport actually, so I just asked him if he wanted to meet up.
Oh, like up in the sky?
Yeah.
Little sky meetup, okay.
Okay, I've got you. I'm going to pull it back and then come up off your right side.
Are you trying to catch up with him or just fly right beside him?
So I'm going to fly off his right wing.
Okay. Does he have the same plane?
No, that's called a Carbon Cub.
But it says hit tail dragger too.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, I guess.
Nice.